and welcome to another quick math tutorial. Today we'll be talking about set theory and the quick basics of that. So, to start off, what you need to know about set theory, we're going to start with the stuff relevant to a Venn diagram. You've probably seen this before and done it in primary school quite early on, but just looking at a few more interesting aspects of the Venn diagram. Today we'll be looking at how to set things into two groups and understand certain parts about how the two groups are related. So here we have a Venn diagram and we have the groups A and B. And let's say I'm dealing with a group of data, the numbers 1 to 10, so 10 numbers. And I'm going to give the following rules, that numbers in group A, have to be even. And numbers in group B have to be a multiple of 3. Okay, so instantly you can see that in group A we're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And in group B we're going to have 3, 6 and 9. Now what you've probably realised is that the number 6 falls in both these groups. So if just that's it, I'm going to put that in the middle because it goes in two groups. It is in A and B. And in B, that is not in A because they're odd numbers, would be 3 and 9. Excuse handwriting. And we're left over here with 2, 4, 8 and 10. There we go. But there's still some numbers we haven't included, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Okay, they don't fall in either A or B, but they're still part of our set. So we put this, and I'll just show you this little symbol here, I'll just circle that. This is the lowercase Greek letter Xi, and it just means it's a universal symbol, so it means everything in our set. So if we were to draw a box around that, everything would go inside. Some goes in a Venn diagram, but some don't belong to either of the groups, but still part of our set. We have to draw that outside of it, and there usually will be a box around this as well. So if you imagine the limits of the screen being the box, these numbers are still in there. And lastly, we're going to talk about this. Now that is a N, because I don't have the actual symbols here, but it really is anything that is something like that, a bridge. That's called the intersect, and you can remember this by intersect having the letter N in it. It looks a lot like N. The intersect is literally where the two groups intersect, so anything in here, anything in the middle. So that in this case it's only 6. Finally, we have what's called the union. It's a lot like a big U. And the union, as it sounds, is usually some things are in a union, they are together. It's groups both A and B. So everything in the Venn diagram, so not 1, 5 or 7. So I'm not going to bother writing that, but that will be 2, 4, 8, 10, 6, 3 and 9. So that's everything about the basics you need to know about set theory. It can get a little more complicated because you can have Venn diagrams with more than 2 groups, but it's essentially the same process. There won't be any practice questions in the comments today, in the description, sorry guys, as I usually leave, because I feel this is fairly easy concept to understand. It's only a little refresher. Thanks for watching.